Hi, based on countless hours of research and comparisons, we selected the best products available in this year. When we prepared this top list, we reviewed several products. We analyzed the features, performance, and the value for money of each and every model, and read many reviews from customers too. Watch this video about the best models of this year and make sure to check the products links below. Sit back and enjoy.
Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley 2-in-1 electric pressure washer. The unique modular design can be used from a wall mount, cart, or standalone, so you can carry it anywhere. Blast clean dirty surfaces with up to 2,050 psi. That's 40 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2,050 psi power. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. You should choose this because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
Introducing the all-new Speed Wash system from Generac. It makes pressure washing so fast and easy, you might even enjoy the work. The Generac Speed Wash starts with best-in-class 3,200 psi cleaning power, and it puts pressure control right at your fingertips with the innovative Power Dial gun. Forget about constantly stopping to switch nozzles every time you need to change the pressure. With the Power Dial gun, you simply match the dial to the cleaning task. Dial it up to blast away tough stains on concrete. Dial it down for a gentler wash on cars, patio furniture, or windows. And the heavy-duty flex hose never tangles or kinks, ensuring constant pressure and flow. Plus, Generac's cutting-edge cleaning attachments put the Speed Wash system in a class by itself. The Power Broom makes cleaning decks and driveways fast, up to 4 times faster, without streaking or causing damage. The turbo nozzle uses a high-pressure rotating jet to scrub away grime and increase cleaning speed by up to 30%. And the soap blaster sprays detergent 3 times farther than ordinary washers, saving you time and steps.
You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning projects with ease with the Sunjoe SPX 4000 electric pressure washer. Featuring exclusive pressure select technology, packed with 1,800 watts of pure cleaning power. The 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every last bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Remove mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. 5 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray to suit the cleaning task. And the onboard 54.1 fluid ounce detergent tank lets you dial in just the right amount of detergent to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Sunjoe's exclusive pressure select technology. The SPX 4000 lets you select the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from 2 powerful cleaning options. Low, 1,450 psi for everyday dirt, grease, and grime. And high, 2,030 psi to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Other exclusive features include the built-in Total Stop power saving system, designed to save energy and prolong pump life when the trigger is not engaged. And when the work is all done, simply wind it up and stash it away with the convenient onboard hose holder for faster cleanup and neater storage. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe, the SPX 4000 electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped. Grime is gone. Get set to do your dirty work with the SPX 3000 electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Packed with 14.5 amps of pure cleaning power, SPX 3000 delivers up to 2,030 psi to demolish even the most stubborn gunk and grime. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Tailor your spray to fit any cleaning task. 5 quick connect spray tips let you switch from pinpoint jet to gentle spray in a snap and give your cleaning blast a boost with SPX 3000's dual onboard detergent tanks. But don't just take our word for it. Check out over 3,000 5-star reviews that make SPX 3000 Amazon's #1 best-selling pressure washer. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. From porch to patio, siding, sidewalks, auto, deck, and driveway, your dirty jobs just got done.
Remember when your stairway wasn't covered in years of dirt and grime? Blast those puppies back to life with the Win 3100 PSI gas-powered pressure washer. With 5 different spray gun nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees along with an onboard soap tank, you'll be able to take on both the toughest and the most delicate surfaces all with the same machine. Power wash away decades of dirt and neglect, spraying up to 2.5 gallons per minute worth of water directly at the caked-on scum. There's nothing quite as satisfying as reviving a surface back to its original state. Featuring a 30-foot hose with onboard storage, two 12-inch never-flat wheels, a 208cc 4-stroke OHV engine, and a soft rubber-padded handle, you'll be able to clean stairs, walls, sidewalks, driveways, roofs, cars, boats. You can even clean your watermelons. Now that's what I'm talking about. And because it's a Win product, your unit comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a nationwide network of skilled service technicians, and a friendly customer helpline. Remember when your surfaces looked good?
Remember when?